Oh yeah, me again. And today I'm going to do a full handlebar swap out. Basically I like these white bars and I can't get the wider ones in white. Don't ask me why, just can't get them. So I prefer the wider handlebars. So I've got these nice colourful ones to go on, just like I fitted to my other bikes. I really like these handlebars. I can't pronounce the name, it's like Creasec or Creaset, I'm not sure what they're called, but I really like the bars. They're good quality bars, not a bad price. Paid about 20 quid for them, I think. I'll put a link in the description to where I got them, but they are really good quality bars, like, you know, nice and solid. I've got them on my other bikes, so I thought, well, I really like them, so I might as well put them on these. And yeah, so they're the rainbow effect colours. So as you can see, change colour and everything, pretty cool. Anyway, I'll video the swap over in time lapse. Here we go. So there you go, that's them fitted. Immediately gives the bike a different look, and I think they suit it a bit better, to be fair. As you can see, all on, all done. Really happy with them, and it's got me to the same width as what all my other bikes are, so should feel pretty good. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there and get out and ride.